Hey y'all, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. So basically today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this pixie cut. Now I do want to mention that I did not go to cosmetology school, nor am I a cosmetologist. So obviously I'm just using all of my artistic abilities to go ahead and just recreate a look that I saw online. And yeah, this is the finished result. So I hope you guys really like this cut. This is my good side, and I think I messed up a little bit on this side, but I'm still going to rock it because I put a lot of work and a lot of effort into trying to recreate this style. So let me know what you guys think, but let's go ahead and get into the video. So I started with my 22-inch blockhead, which I purchased on Amazon. If you're interested, I'll have my direct link to this blockhead in the description box below. And then of course I've got a few needles threaded as well. Alright, now here is the wig mesh cap that I'll be using, and I did purchase this off of Amazon as well, and this is it out of its packaging. Now I am going to go ahead and just slip this onto my blockhead. Now prior to slipping this onto my blockhead, I went ahead and traced out my ears. So here you can see where I traced out my left ear and my right ear. And this is going to serve as a guideline in which I'm going to cut out my ears towards the end of the tutorial. So here I'm just going to create another guideline, which I love to use in the middle, and this is going to allow me to build up the pixie cut. So first of all, any guidelines that you see in this tutorial, you want to stop at the guidelines. You don't want to go through them, and this is going to help you basically know where to stop instead of having to, just visually see where to stop and where to place the tracks. So again, you're going to see how useful this guideline is towards the end of the video when I start to build up the pixie cut. Alright, so for the hair, I'll be using the Outre Velvet Remy Tara in the lengths 2, 4, and 6. This is 100% human hair, and I got it in the color 1B. And then here is just a 360 of the packaging because it is so beautifully made, and this hair is bomb. It's very, very nice and silky, and this is all 3 lengths out of the packaging, the 2, the 4, and the 6. And to start off this tutorial, I am going to actually start off with the 4-inch, which you see here. And I got this idea from another YouTuber, which I'll have her information in the description box below. But again, I'm going to go ahead and just start off with the 4-inch here. And you want to stop at every guideline. So I'm not going through the ear section here. I'm just going to stop at that guideline, and I'm just going to build it up. So I'm only putting the 4-inch and the 2-inch in the back. And then when it comes to that U shape, I'm going to build it up with only the 6-inch. All right, so just go ahead and continue to watch the tutorial, and I'll be back with some more information towards the end. Okay, so here is another guideline that I love to use for my track placement. So it's just going to serve as a guideline to help me build upon my tracks so that I'm not stacking them too close or too far apart. All right, and this is the finished result of me stacking both the 4-inch and the 2-inch. All right, next we've got this U shape that we've got to fill in with the 6-inch bundle. So here I'm just going ahead and adding in that 6-inch. And again, I'm only using the 6-inch to close up this section here. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the closure piece to finish off this. onto the cutting portion. Here is the two-headed razor that I purchased on Amazon, which I'll have the link to in the description box below. But I'm just going to start to cut the back section first. Now, I did cut a bald spot in it because, again, I didn't go to cosmetology school, so I had to fill that in. But I learned that you have to pull on the hair first and then start to cut. So, again, I'm going to start to just cut this unit as best as I know how and just figure out a way to get through this pixie cut without creating any more bald spots, and I'll show you the finished result. So, follow along as best as you can. I wish that I could describe the methods that I am using in a lot more detail, but honestly, I'm just kind of winging it. So go ahead and continue to watch, and I'll be back towards the end. All right, so here is the finished result after all of that cutting, and I think I did a really good job. I did go ahead and do a little bit more cutting once I was able to fit the unit onto my actual head, but this is what I've got left with so far, and I definitely think that I did a really good job. Now, I did mess up on the left side a little bit, or no, was it the right side? I believe I messed up on the right side, but the left side came out perfectly. So I'm just going to slip this unit on. And y'all, I tried out this orange matte lipstick, and I wasn't feeling it. So I had to, slip on the unit on camera, and then I exchanged it for just something simple, in pink. So this is how the unit is looking. I'm going to play with it a little bit on camera so you guys can see how it looks without layers and how it looks with layers. But so far so good. I'm definitely satisfied with it. So let's go ahead and just feather the bang out just a little bit. Yeah, that's looking really cute. And here is a look at the back. All right. So yeah, I think for this being, I believe this is my second time attempting to construct a short unit, and I'm definitely satisfied with the finished result. Let me know what you guys think in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.